Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is February BOXYCHARM, and this video is a little late, sorry. The package actually got lost on my mail room and they couldn't find it, and finally they find it and they send it to me. This video is supposed to went out Monday for you guys, but unfortunately I just got the package yesterday, so I filmed and edited today. Forget about that. That was, you know, sometimes things get lost and things happen. So first I'd like to say thank you so much for my 10 subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you for coming back and supporting me. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula. This is my channel. Here we do reviews, hair, makeup, skincare, little fashion here and there, and everything beauty. So if this is the kind of video that you like to watch, I invite you to look around. I hope you like it and stay, enjoy, subscribe, enjoy the family. Alright, so let's dig into this video so don't get so long. It's already late. We don't want long to write. Probably all of you guys that are used to watch all the unboxing BOXYCHARM video is already saw this month video, because you know, as soon as the month hit, we all will run to see who uploaded the first video, so we know what's coming in the box, what the products look like. I actually really love the Sleepy vitamin C mask from Saturday Skin that came in. It's amazing. We have the little card here, and this is BOXYCHARM XOXO. That was Valentine's Day theme. Sorry, I'm late. Okay, so the first thing that we have here in this BOXYCHARM is this Wonder Beauty your go-to palette for the perfect getaway. Features 6 high pigmented eyeshadow, a blush, a highlighter, enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate the skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Alright, thank you. I like that. So I created this little look today using this Wonder Beauty palette, and the palette actually is very pretty. It's here you have the box, and here I have the palette out of the box, and I'm gonna open for you guys to see it. One thing that I like about this little palette is how versatile it is, and how you have here 3 products, like you have your eyeshadow and your blush and highlighter. This is a great little palette for carrying your purse. So this is the shades, very pretty, and this it retails for $36. So the second thing here is Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask, and this is the sleep mask I was telling you guys about. I actually enjoy this very much. I used last night. Told you guys I got the package last night. The package arrived for me like 6:30 at night. I say, you know what, I'm tired, I had a long day, let me just film tomorrow. So, but I got to open my box because I am curious. Yes, I am. And I knew that a lot of people got actually this mask, and I was looking forward to hope to be in my box, and there she was, looking and smelling amazing. A lightweight mask that works well. You sleep to deliver a moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, poreness, stress, and texture. This unique jelly textured mask is crafted with the yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. Wow. Okay, good to know. And this mask here retails for $29. Not bad at all. You know, the mask, it's really good and smells really good too. So I like that the mask actually came with this little spatula here, and that's what the it actually smells a little bit like orange. That's the consistency of the mask. I'm just gonna show you closer. That's what the mask look like. Almost like jelly base mask. I like that because yesterday when I applied to my skin, actually absorbed really nice and really fast, without that some sleep mask have like a heavy feel to. This actually is very refreshing It smells so refreshing and very light, so that was something I like on it. The next thing here, 3-stick eye duo good vibes mascara plus eye pencil. So today I'm using the mascara and the eye pencil. I use the eye pencil as eyeliner to create this little eye here. So yeah, it works good. I like the pencil, was very creamy, very easy to work with. And the mascara I like too. I use the curler too, even though I don't have like the habit to using an eye curler. That's the little top of the eye curler. So you pull this down and there you have it. But the thing is, this actually is smaller than your eyes. So what I did is I did half of my eyes first and the half after, but I ended up pinching a little bit, so be careful using this. But I think it was, you know, a creative thing to do. I never saw a mascara with an eye curler before. That's the one that the mascara actually it's really nice. It works good. Here you have the eyeliner, which is really nice, black Santorini black sand, and it actually works really nice, very creamy, easy to apply. This retails for $44. Eye opening duo for gorgeous defined eyes. First is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. The eye pencil is formulated for sensitive eye, feature a luxury versatile gel formula. This pencil glides on like a liquid but provides the pencil precise. Yes, I like the liner a lot. It works really nice. There we go, 3-stick. I like this. I'm gonna enjoy this. So this is Glamour. I don't know what it is. Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. Glittery, enhancing, and fun. This set feature 4 essential blush with ultra soft synthetic bristle, blends easy, flawless, and this little set here retails for $29.95. And this is the first time that I heard of this brand. They have like a kind of glitter in, so you can move. So the brush is actually, I use this one for blending and this one for pat the shadow on. They actually works very well. The bristle is very soft. So yeah, it's a cute little set. So in the next thing here is gonna be Scent Luxe Beauty limited edition line duo. This lip line duo make lip shaping easier than ever with a creamy, long-lasting and hydrating formula liner. Smooth glide onto the lips, and this duo retails for $40, and I have them swatch here. These are the 2 lip liners. It's a pretty color, so I'm using the lighter shades on this duo. This was the last product on February Box Charm. I hope you guys enjoyed this month box.